The more we are exposed to the unity and harmony of creation, the more our mind becomes inclusive and harmonious. A very hearty good morning to one and all present here. Akhand Bharat was a dream which became a reality because of the efforts of a great man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Rashtriya Ekta Divas, National Unity Day, is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He was the pioneer behind the integration of princely states of India. Along with honoring the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for his role in unifying the country, this day is also celebrated for the unity of our country. It encourages people of the country to come together and celebrate the pride of our unity in diversity of our country. We should be very proud that our land is a land of diversities. Diversity in cultures, traditions, religions, languages, and beliefs. The beauty lies in unification of all the diversities. And to maintain this unity, it is very important to ask ourselves a question: what we can do to keep this unity intact? What we can do to keep this unity intact? We must respect every individual. If respect is there, we will never do anything wrong against anyone. Respect the differences. On this day, let us remember the endeavor of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in bringing 562 princely states together. The vision of Akhand Bharat was only possible because of him. We owe our gratitude to the Iron Man of India. And on this day, we remind ourselves that we have the responsibility of keeping this unity strong. We will stand together to face all the difficulties and will always rise as a winner. At last, I would end by his famous quote: manpower without unity is not a strength. Manpower without unity is not a strength. जनशक्ति बिना एकता और अखंडता के व्यर्थ है. जनशक्ति बिना एकता और अखंडता के व्यर्थ है. हम आज संकल्प करते हैं, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत अखंड भारत. हम आज संकल्प करते हैं, एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत अखंड भारत. जय हिंद, जय भारत.